Welcome to all on my YouTube channel. In this video we will see how we can work on laptop or desktop computers without a keyboard. Guys, during lockdown I have faced this problem. Few keys on keyboard are not functioning and it was really difficult to me to do work from home on mobile. Because as we know, mobile has its own limitations. And finally I got a trick. How to work on laptop without keyboard or with some defected keys, and I just want to share this information with you all. Let's start. Once our system is getting started, we have to click on start here. After that we have to click on control panel. We can see number of options, out of which we have to click on ease of access. Please do not click on these two options. We have to just click on ease of access. Then we have to click on ease of access center, and finally we have to click on start on screen keyboard. Now we can see all keys on this on screen keyboard are similar to the actual keyboard except function keys, because as we can see here, function keys are not present. So don't worry, we have to click on function key Fn. As we click on this function key, all function keys are replaced, all numeric keys are replaced by function keys. Now let's do some typing work. First of all, let us open the Word document. Okay. Now for your visibility, I'm just increasing the font size. Yes. Now suppose I have to write this statement with the use of on-screen keyboard. How to use laptop without keyboard. That's it. In this way we can type by using on-screen keyboard. Now some of the viewers may have questioned that we set password to our personal computers, then how this trick will work? Don't worry, I have a solution. Actually I have also set password to my system and face same problem. See in this image at the bottom left corner and click on ease of access. We will see window. In this window, number of options. Click on this option, type without keyboard. Then click on apply and click on OK. We can see such on-screen keyboard. Drag down this keyboard and close the window. Guys, if you really feel this video is informative and this video will help to you in such problem, then please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, which will encourage me, and also press bell icon for the further updates. Thank you.